Hi guys, Jamara here, and today I will be playing Animal Jam. And today I will be showing you how I paint. So yeah, let's get right into it. Guys, I am on it now, so yeah, let's paint. Oh, and guys, I'm not gonna do sound. I haven't been doing sound for a while, but yeah, no sound. Oops. Guys, I am done with this drawing. So yeah, let me create as a done item. Guys, which one should I pick? Ah, this one. Since it is a phantom and this is a phantom frame, it should be good. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed my video here, and yeah, so guys, if you're wondering why I'm in my old outfit, it's because my new one kind of changed. I changed it for another channel. Oh yeah, I know I didn't tell you the name and all that, but go check it out if you recognize my voice in it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm say bye bye.